For this video, CLABEL sent over their thermal label printer. Now the first thing you're going to notice when you get this is just how easy it is to set up. You're simply going to plug the power cord in the back, flip the power switch on, download the CLABEL app on your smartphone, and then you're going to insert the thermal paper into the paper roll. You're going to open it right on up. Now what's really nice about this is that you can use any brand of thermal paper. The reel is adjustable with a width of 20 to 58 millimeters. So you just take the reel, put it in the middle of the thermal paper, put this over top of it. You can see that there's a groove right here, and it just slides right in the printer. You're going to want to make sure that the thermal paper is facing forward when you do close it, and it's going to automatically feed one of them through, and you know that you're ready to go. So when you download the app, you're going to see that it's fully customizable. You're going to be able to make any custom label that you want. You can also print them off in batches using PDF form. So if you do run a larger scale business and you're looking to print off barcodes, this would be a fast way to do it. This would also be perfect for garage sales, just being able to label all your products on there, maybe have a price for one single item or a discounted price if they buy 3. You could also use this for all your holiday storage bins, just keeping everything nice and organized for the next season. And one of my favorites is how you can make custom pictures and emojis and put them on the labels as well. It's just a really cool touch, especially if you're into branding and just wanting to set your face to your product or maybe directing them over to a website. You could even use a QR code on here and just direct them that way as well. So overall, this label maker is super easy to use. It's basically plug and go. I love the app. It's really smooth and easy to use, especially if you are printing off multiple labels at the same time. It's really fast and does a great job at printing off high quality labels. So if you're looking for a really nice label maker, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.